Okay, I got this cut off from my Brazilian pepper vase that I just made, and just to show that you can make something from just about any piece of wood. It already had a dovetail or a tenon on this side, and I made a mortise on this side. So I'm going to round this out, hollow it out, make a little simple bowl, and it shouldn't take me too long. Okay, I'm going to put some polyurethane on. It's Bare Poly Oil Semi-Gloss. Okay, here is my latest Brazilian pepper small bowl. It's made from a cutoff from a vase I'd probably release ahead of this. I'm not sure. It's about 2 inches tall, 5 inches, 5.5 inches across. It's got a nice pith coloration that you see from the inside of the bowl. It would be kind of bland if it wasn't for the pith coloration. The bowl is made from scrap that I could have thrown away, but since it already started with a tenon on one side, I was able to easily use it. Didn't have to do a lot of work to get done. That's why the video is so short.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.